All right, we're going to take a look at a new program called Just Doors. This program is used to create MDF doors on your CNC. By default, we have a total of 5 different types of doors: a slab, square, shaker, arch, or a cathedral, and 2 types of drawer fronts. Within each type, with the exception of the slabs, we're able to select a profile. This is the makeup of bits that are used to create the profile of the door. The profiles could be seen under Tools, Profile Setup, and the same drop-down box that we have listed here is also listed on the main entry. Selecting any one of these is going to show the profile that this is going to generate. So we have the offsets that are applied for each bit, and the depth for each bit, and a layer name for each cutter as well. So we're going to go through and enter in one door of each type and nest that so we can see the different types and the different makeups of each door. So for a slab door, I'm going to select the slab. You would set the height and width of that door, add it to the list. I'm now going to select the square, and we have a door style applied. The shaker is really the same as a square raised panel, but it gives us a rectangle to be able to pocket out, and that is why I've selected the shaker. And notice that anytime I come back to a drawer type, the profile that I have previously associated with that type has become selected. So we have that shaker for the shaker, and the arch is a raised panel 2, and a cathedral is a listing of these 2 bits here. So now we have 5 different types of doors added to our cabinet list, or our door list, and once that is completed, we can click Calculate Nest. And we can now see the 5 different types of doors. We have the slab, the cathedral, the arch, and these 2 doors here look to be the same. One of them would be for a shaker, and the other would be for a raised panel or a square raised panel. At this point, it is going through and creating a toolpath for each one of these using Part Nester 3, and there are many videos out there to show you how to toolpath in Part Nester version 3.